Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down that. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down that.
Hello, welcome back to S&G Automotive. My name's Steph. So today I'm going to be going through all the stuff that we've done on the Bmw E46 so far and talking about what it's like as having as a daily driver. So let's get straight into this. So off camera we have done quite a few bits to the Beamer. So we've done a water pump at DA Automotives, did a coolant change, we changed the I think it's called a timing chain belt, not timing chain belt, anyway the belt that goes all around all the stuff, that all got changed. We also done an aircon delete because if we're on track I want it to be as light as possible. The aircon wasn't working anyway, it got regassed before I brought it. It just never worked. It was just tons of weight. I think it was probably like 80 kilos. Don't quote me on that. I'll probably slot in how much roughly it weighs. I'll do some research. But yeah, we got rid of the air conditioning, all the pipes, the aircon, radiator. But now we've got a problem where the fan's staying on constantly, which you could probably hear it now. Hoping the camera picks up. But yeah, I've looked into, there's a few things we could do. We could put it onto a switch, which I don't mind doing. You know, I'm not really fussed that it's actually staying on a minute because it's keeping the car cooler. So I'd rather it come on than not come on, obviously. But yeah, we could put it onto a switch. I think I found like a relay thing you can wire in. I might try that. If it works then we'll do a video on it. Hopefully it does. But yeah, that's something we could do. I'm not really fussed at the minute. But also my engine light has come on because the fan is staying on. But yeah, that's no biggie. It'll go off once we, you know, sort it out onto a relay or put it onto a switch or whatever. But also we've been to a couple scrapyard trips and I've managed to get M Sport side skirts. So we managed to get, this is what we brought on one day. I brought a new screen wash bottle because this one's 5.2 litres and I'll show you quickly on screen now, which is massive. We've got like a 3 litre one because what's the point of having 5.3 litres? You're never going to go through all that. It's less weight for track days and all that sort of stuff. It all adds up at the day when I haven't got a lot of power, so it adds up. But yeah, so I can turn the car off for a minute. So yeah, we've got blue side skirts which need painting and there's a couple like marks on them, so I'm gonna get them. My friend Abby, who's going out with Dan from DA Automotive, she's gonna spray them up for me with her gun, so that's pretty sweet. But we'll do some filming on that when it comes to that. I don't think it'll be for 2-3 weeks yet, but we're both busy. But yeah, anyway, got the side skirts, screen wash bottle, and what else do we get? We got the, oh yeah, I don't know if I ever told you lot, but my car never had an air temperature sensor. It's like a common fault on these where it gets ripped out because it's below, like by the wheel, so it always gets ripped off if you know go over a bump or whatever. So it always said minus 40 degrees, but as you can see, let me go this way, it's actually working now, which I'm pretty gassed about. Got that, and that all came to £5. £5 for M Sport side skirts, a screen wash bottle, and a sensor. Like, how can you argue that? That is why I love modifying these cars, because it's just incredibly cheap. And like, then we went to another scrapyard a few days later and I managed to get the black and the money coin holder, all black, fits in perfect. What else did we get that day? Oh yeah, I'll show you. I've got a boot spoiler as well, and that all came to £5 as well. My mate got something as well. But look at that. Like, you can't argue with that. So I got all that for like 10 quid. I'm a sucker for a bargain, so that was sweet. But yeah, we're gonna go for a drive now and just talk about how and why I actually truly love this car, because this past couple of weeks since we've done some bits to the car, it's running sweet. It is proper running. I just need some decent brakes on it now and I'll be pretty happy with it. So yeah, let's get driving. Also, I forgot to say that we've actually took out the rear adjusters, the coilovers, and now it's sitting, wow, you can see it's sitting a lot better. Do need to lower the front a little bit more, like the tiniest little bit, then it should sit really nicely. But since I lowered it, and since we've done, like, you know, the water pump, the aircon delete, it just seems really like really lively. Like, the throttle's like a little bit more responsive because, like, the aircon drains a little bit of power and all that sort of stuff. Just, I don't know, this past few weeks I just fallen in love with it even more than I ever thought I would. And I know I've only just began with this car, like, yeah, it's not too bad. We don't really scrape over speed bumps, so that's probably a good sign. Like, a sign that I'm not low enough normally, but even though it looks really low, which is weird, you'd think it'd like scrape over speed bumps, but it literally just, it must just miss them or something. But actually, you know what? I'm gonna explain my name. So the reason I picked SMG Automotive is, one, my name's Stefan Mark Griffiths, so SMG just sort of flows nicely, and I put automotive because I want to pretty much film everything car related, anything automotive related. You know, it means 5 years time I'm filming, you know, quads and motorbikes and all that sort of stuff, as well as cars. Then I'll do that. Wait, I'm gonna drop it down again. Anyway, well, so I want to have, like, the review side of things. I want to be taking you a journey with this car that I'm making into a track car as a daily. Oops. But also, I'm going to be having another different series later on during the year, which I'm not going to say too much about, but I'm going to pretty much, I'm going to be doing anything automotive on this channel. As you can hear, the fan is staying on. But yeah, all the aircon pipes were down there, into there, all gone. There was like a plastic bit here, which is gone. honestly, it is loud, but you know, it is keeping the car quiet. I'm hoping they actually heard my speech then. If not, I'll just have to put it to text form onto the screen. But yeah, I'm glad we did it. You know, it's a lot of weight saved, and I'm sure on track it's gonna need pretty much everything stripped out. Like these seats and everything's gonna have to go. But yeah, we won't say any more on that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video there. It's just a quick update, really. But also, I want to say I've hit 100. I think I've got like 103 subscribers now, which I'm proper gassed about. Like, I did my first day 2 days ago at my new job, and then I come home, and then I seen that. It was just an awesome day, knowing that you lot are enjoying the content and supporting me through this, because I couldn't do it without you lot. That's the fact. Like, I'm enjoying it. I hope you lot enjoy my videos. I just want to keep doing it, you know, growing and growing. And yeah, you lot are awesome. I can't put it into words how happy I am with the channel in a minute. Like, even like, I don't know, this past, like, on the analytics, the past 28 days of, you know, views and everything, it's just gone up. It's just mental. Like, yeah, it is sweet, and I just want to thank every single one of you. Gonna end the video there, guys. Hopefully you lot enjoyed it. Sorry if it was actually a bit of a boring one, but just trying to make content, you know. But anyway, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Slap a like on it if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you guys want to be seeing next. I'll see you guys.